My name is Noma. My surname is Kupe. My business name is Matixs Manufacturing, but we were previously Matixs Manufacturing. So we've just re-registered our business because we are busy rebranding. We are based in Olifantsfontein. We manufacture cleaning chemicals, sanitizers, disinfectants, and general chemicals, household and industrial. So that's basically who we are. Before we enrolled for the program at UJ, I can't really compare to what we are now. There's just so much that we have learned. Of course, we were already established, before, but there's just so much that we've learned after we've registered with the UJ. I don't think we'll be the same again. So much has changed. The way we do business is not the same anymore. I can't forget the knowledge, which everybody impacted to us. I'll never forget Professor Benkele, about disrupting the market. So we are very grateful, for the program, because it has really taught us a lot of things. We understand that as a business, we can't stay the same. We can't stay the same. We have to keep on disrupting the market. We have to keep on changing. We have to keep on innovating. Otherwise, we're not going to cope, because competition is so stiff out there. So there has to be always something that we're doing that is different from everybody else, from our competitors. So yes, in a nutshell, what I took from UJ was, after the program, was over, we had to go out there and disrupt the market. And I think that's what we're trying to do at the moment. The experience was good. First of all, let me take my hat off. Everybody, that presented the program to us. Everybody was so professional. I've never seen such kind of professionalism in my life. Before I went for the program, I never really, recognized UJ as a kind of university that it is. So everybody was very professional. From Tabile, I liked the way they conducted themselves. And even all the lecturers there, the knowledge they gave us, the knowledge that we didn't have. And I can't even believe that it was free of charge. So the experience for me was great, because I acquired more knowledge than I had before. There were so many things that we learned, and let me maybe say we are busy trying to implement most of them at the moment. In fact, most of the lessons, they dwelled on the standards. When you're a business, there are certain standards that you need for your business to be able to be out there, or to even compete out there. So I must say, at the moment, we are trying to implement an ISO system, which was a system that, one of the lecturers, spoke about a lot. So we've already approached, SIDA is helping us to implement the system, thanks to UJ for the program as well. So it's not the only one. There are other things that we're busy doing. I remember at some stage when Nonhlanhla criticized our labels. I know we haven't done much at the moment, but we are busy also rebranding, so we're changing our labels as well. Obviously with the COVID, this year, we haven't really managed to do everything, but we are in the process of changing, revamping, doing almost everything that we can, and that's because of the program, the UJ program. So I'm very grateful as an entrepreneur.
The University of Johannesburg, the future reimagined.